Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your PNC account. Watch the video till the end to sign up for your PNC banking account. Firstly, open your PNC application. The official page of the PNC application will appear on the screen. Click on the Enroll option. It will take you to the sign up page of the PNC banking account. You'll need to confirm your information. Select your ID type used to open or identify your PNC account. Select one of the given options under Verify Your Information, whether it's to enter your PNC debit card PIN, online access PIN, or to receive a one-time PIN code sent to your phone number, and tap on Next. Here, I have chosen to verify my PNC account using my SSN number. You will need to enter your social security number in the given text box. You will have to enter some of the other credentials, and that is how you'll be able to sign up for your PNC account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.